Hey there. Feeling short on time but in need of extra cash? I've got 5 simple online side hustles that fit perfectly with a busy schedule. Let's dive right in. First up, freelance writing. Love to write? Turn your passion into profit by becoming a freelance writer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients who need blog posts, website content, and more. Enjoy flexible hours, work from anywhere, and the potential for high earnings. Next, we have virtual assistant work. If you're organized and detail-oriented, this one's for you. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely, benefit from diverse tasks, gain valuable skills, and set your own rates. Third on the list is selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Design digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables, and earn passive income. With low overhead costs and the ability to reach a global audience, your income potential is scalable. Then there's online tutoring. If you're passionate about a subject, why not share your knowledge and empower others? As an online tutor, you can help students succeed, set your own hours, and work from the comfort of your home. It's a rewarding experience with a flexible schedule. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Got a blog or social media following? Partner with brands and earn commissions by recommending their products or services to your audience. With low startup costs and the potential to work with multiple brands, the earnings can be significant. Ready to take control of your time and income? Subscribe for more side hustle ideas and start building your dream life today. Catch you in the next video.